Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: driver's current, GpuTweak III installed, and a system restore point ready. Open the app and allow administrator rights so settings apply. Once done, switch windows to high performance and quit heavy apps. This prevents thermal spikes and false readings. Now locate the preset profiles panel and choose default to capture baseline data. You need that to compare changes. Make sure monitoring graphs show temperature, clock, and fan RPM before moving to tuning. You proceed by raising the core clock in small increments, typically plus 10 MHz, and then run a brief GPU stress or looped benchmark for 5 to 10 minutes to validate stability. If stable, repeat until you see artifacts or driver resets, then back down one step. Next, tune memory the same way, because memory errors look different from core instability. Finally, craft a fan curve, gentle below 60 degrees, linear ramp to 70 degrees, then aggressive cooling past 80 degrees to protect the silicon and sustain higher clocks. You now decide if voltage tweaks are required. Only raise Vcore in tiny increments, think 0, 1 to 0, 3 volts, and validate after each change because extra volts increase heat and risk. Once satisfied, save your settings as a named profile and enable auto-apply on startup so your tweaks persist. If you encounter crashes or black screens, immediately load default, reinstall drivers if needed, and confirm temperatures and power limits. These steps quickly isolate whether the issue is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.